Hello. Usually I'm here. But that's not working apparently, so we're going to go here. I could come here, couldn't I? But I won't. Right, so, actually there's some nice sort of benches here that were in the crush wall, so I could like lounge on that, couldn't I? But we won't. Right, so we're on pride today. Because pride's really important. I don't necessarily believe that pride comes before a fall. I think if you manage your pride and manage how you deal with being proud of something, and you're magnanimous within it, then in actual fact, pride is a really good emotion. That's why we have it as part of our core concepts, to be proud of our community. So, these are all the things that you've done that we can be proud of. This beautiful painting by Seren in Year 8. That's fantastic. Just before we recorded, Mrs. Bryan said she'd buy that. So Seren, get on board, yeah? Get it sold. And some of the proceeds can come our way. It can be 10% for your manager. Right. Year 7 is going to Year 8. What about becoming a prefect? Don't think that you shouldn't apply, because you should. Even if you're thinking that I'm not the sort of person to be a prefect, rubbish. Everyone can be a prefect if they show the impetus and drive to apply and have the pride within Oakfield Academy. Catherine has done some fantastic geography work for me as well. What a beautiful, beautiful floral collage she's made. How proud she must be of that to see in the newsletter. This beautiful giraffe done by James in Year 8. Absolutely brilliant. You get the idea of a dabbing painting. Never even heard of it. I love it. It's fantastic. She must be so proud of you, and you must be so proud of yourself. This, if you go onto our What's On the website and on the video section, we've got a huge swathe of videos there. This was in one of the Year 7 classes last week, and it's a sort of a COVID rhyming chant that they've done with music. It's brilliant, and the notations underneath it on the videos page as well. Definitely go and have a look. Again, this Gaudi style work from Xanthi in Year 7. Beautiful, something to be proud of, something we want to celebrate, and we've had that consistent message all the way through this. We want to celebrate your achievements because we're proud of you, and you should be proud of yourselves. Ivo's Hedgehog Cam, definitely another video worth watching, okay? Ivo, you should be very proud of that. You're doing something conservation-wise and really supporting the local environment. And pride within yourselves to being part of your acorn structure and sharing with us your merits and your successes so we can tot up those acorn points. If your parents don't know what they're about, tell them. Tell them that they framed the stage at Oakfield Academy about who's doing what and how they're doing it. It's about winning that Acorn Award at the end of the academic year. Tell us your merits. Get it to us ASAP. Because we want to celebrate what you've done so we can have our reward assembly at the end of term. It's weird being here. I like it back here. I can do a point of this. All of these shout-outs, which are amazing. They're getting bigger and growing every day. And then we have our Infinity nominations, quite apt this week that every single one of them involves that core concept of pride. The ones for our staff, for our business manager and our finance officer, how they've stepped up and showed pride in being part of Oakfield community because of what's going on. All of these people should be celebrated and should be proud of what they've done, and we're proud of you. And, you know, we've tried to show that in the work we've produced for you in our little lessons, and now the little lesson offer will primarily be around the Infinity curriculum and transition material. Okay? So that's where you need to be going from Monday, because that's where the little lessons and the structure and the learning you can be doing is going to support you ready for September. We also, now, for years 5, 6 and 7, so you'll be 6, 7 and 8 in September 2020, so sorry Year 8s, but you'll have fun at college, don't worry about it, or wherever you're going. You can now be able to access your September 2020 Google Classroom Tutor Group. Parents will be sent an email, you've got a Gmail account. I must have said this about 1 billion times, but it's okay. We'll keep on talking about it. That's how you access it. So you lot don't need to worry about this bit now. It's your name, your last name, at oakfieldacademy.org. Sign in, password's Oakfield, change your password, tell your parents, log on, go to the classroom. If you want to, you can watch this video. It's me, very tiny little me, in my office in the right hand corner, talking you through how to do this. You know, the staff have got loads of these training videos we've had to do because of it, so they must be sick of the sight of me. Nah, probably not. I'm great. Mr. Bryan's nodding. So, sign in, log on, join your tutor classroom ready for September 2020. There'll be a lovely message from your new tutor, maybe some material, some activities for you to do. Because in September, we're going to be using the classroom a lot more. We're going to be using it for lots of different things. Maybe setting some work to do at home. Maybe encourage you to go and watch videos. Go and see a play. Go and watch a movie. Go and feed back to your peers about what you've done over the weekend linked to that subject. So that's how we're going to be using it to enrich your learning experience. So, message from staff. Mrs. Pinches.
Hi Oakfield, here's a question for you. How are your tables doing? Are they as sharp as ever, or have they got a bit rusty over lockdown? Or don't you even know? Well, now is the time to find out. Get yourself logged back on to TT Rockstars and see how you get on. Don't worry if you've forgotten your login details, just drop a mail to the maths email address and we will get you back up and running. Otherwise, when you get logged in, you will find that there have been some battles set up. The battles are between Year 5 and Year 6. And watch out Year 6 because there are some really swift Year 5 TT Rockstars people. And you've guessed it, Year 7 versus Year 8. Everybody can take part and every question you get counts for a point and will count towards your scores. And if battles in previous attempts have gone by, they're usually quite close. So please do join in. Yours might just be the winning point for your year group. I've also snuck in a little decider for Year 5, Pythagoras versus Jermaine, because you've had very close battles in the past and we'd promise you one this term, so here it is. Anyway, best of luck, keep TT Rockstarring, and we will let you know the results in the last week of term. Bye.
Thank you very much. So, I'd like to finish with a poem by Barbara Howes, who's a New York poet. I think she died in 1996, but she's a fantastic poet. She talks about things like pride and the enjoyment of oneself and how you can achieve lots of things, lots of minor things, and they should be celebrated. So not to retain, not to let go, not to approve, not to forego. Graciously easy to construct, but hard to see in others that small existence of what they could endeavour to enjoy. Their successes that they can abide, that which tests us, tests our pride. Everyone stay safe, be good, enjoy what could be some lovely weather, and we'll see you all really soon.